Every second, a torrent of plastic waste begins its remarkable transformation, from discarded trash destined for landfills into something extraordinary. Welcome to one of the world's most advanced plastic-to-textile recycling facilities, where cutting-edge technology meets environmental innovation on a massive scale. Inside this state-of-the-art facility, advanced machinery tears through mountains of plastic at breathtaking speed. And here, in the heart of the facility, recycled plastic transforms into the very fibers that will soon become premium textiles worn around the world. These tiny plastic fragments, each one precisely processed, are about to undergo a molecular metamorphosis that defies imagination.
This sprawling to from communities in plastic businesses, collaboratives across the race to reading.
Each incoming shipment is meticulously tracked through an advanced logistics system, every bottle, every container accounted for from collection to final product. Compressed into 1,000-pound bales, this ocean of plastic represents just a single day's intake. Autonomous guided vehicles choreograph a precise ballet of logistics, artificial intelligence optimizing every movement for maximum efficiency. The transformation begins as hydraulic bale breakers dismantle compressed bundles, liberating individual containers for the sorting process ahead. Vibrating screens and trommel drums separate contaminants, removing labels, caps, and debris that could compromise the final product's purity. Near-infrared spectroscopy identifies polymer compositions in milliseconds. The facility's artificial thousands of sorting decisions every second. Color-coded and categorized, this facility sees insatiable appetite for recyclable materials around the clock. 6 parallel sorting lines achieve 99.9% accuracy, separating PET from HDPE, colored from clear, food grade from industrial. Industrial washing drums scrub away years of contamination. Heated purified water and eco-friendly detergents restore plastics to near virgin cleanliness. Friction washers provide the final scrub, mechanical agitation removing even the most stubborn residues without harsh chemicals. Density separation tanks exploit simple physics. Heavier PET sinks while paper labels and lighter plastics float away for separate processing. Centrifugal dryers spin away moisture at 2,000 RPM, preparing pristine plastic for the next critical phase of transformation. Precision granulators equipped with hardened steel blades reduce whole bottles to uniform flakes, each fragment exactly 8 millimeters for optimal processing. High-speed blades rotating at 3,000 RPM create a blizzard of plastic snowflakes, each piece a building block for the textile fibers to come. 12 parallel grinding lines converge into a unified collection network, processing capacity exceeding 20 tons of plastic flakes per hour. Air classification systems separate by density with surgical precision, ensuring only premium-grade flakes continue to the polymerization stage. Pristine flakes flow into climate-controlled silos, each one holding 50 tons of recycled material ready for molecular transformation. A secondary hot wash at 90 degrees Celsius provides deep decontamination invisible to the naked eye. Welcome to the molecular heart of the facility, where depolymerization reactors break plastic down to its fundamental chemical building blocks. Heated to 270 degrees Celsius under precise pressure, long polymer chains shatter into purified monomers, ready for reconstruction. Distillation towers separate and purify the chemical components, removing contaminants at the molecular level for textile-grade purity. Purified to 99.98%, this recycled terephthalic acid matches virgin petroleum-derived material in every specification. In the repolymerization reactors, molecules reassemble into new polymer chains, identical to virgin PET but born from recycled material. Molten polymer at 280 degrees flows toward the spinning apparatus, fluid plastic moments away from becoming fine textile fibers. Quality control laboratories analyze samples at every stage, advanced spectroscopy confirming molecular structure meets textile-grade specifications. Recycled polymer emerges as pristine pellets, each one a concentrated capsule of transformed plastic ready for the fiber spinning process. Entering the spinning hall, where recycled polymer transforms into continuous filaments finer than human hair across 32 production lines. Polymer pellets enter precision extruders heated to their exact melting point for optimal fiber formation in the spinnerets below. Molten polymer emerges as continuous filaments, each one just 15 microns in diameter. Cooling chimney, crystallizing the molecular structure for max strength and elasticity. Drawing rollers stretch fibers to 5 times their original length, beyond virgin polyester specifications. Crimping machines impart texture and elasticity, transforming smooth filaments into fibers with the soft hand feel demanded by premium textile manufacturers. 8,000 spindles twist recycled fibers into premium yarn, the rhythmic hum of machinery producing 20 kilometers of thread per minute. Every batch undergoes rigorous quality analysis, tensile strength, color consistency, and contamination testing ensuring world-class standards. Precision winding systems create uniform packages ready for shipping, each spool containing recycled fiber transformed from 500 plastic bottles. Electron microscopy reveals molecular uniformity matching virgin polyester, proof that recycled origin means zero compromise in performance. Spectra Photoshop Killer on Delcy meeting the exacting standards of global fashion brands. Accelerated aging chambers simulate years of wear in days, certifying durability that exceeds industry requirements for premium applications. Fully automated packaging lines prepare products for global distribution, recycled fiber destined for manufacturers on 6 continents. Every package carries complete traceability, QR codes linking to the plastic bottles that became this yarn and their environmental impact savings. Climate-controlled warehousing stores finished products awaiting shipment, $20 million of recycled textile fiber ready for global markets. Electric vehicles carry recycled fiber to ports and rail terminals, the final leg of a journey from plastic waste to premium textile. From discarded bottles to designer sportswear, luxury fashion, and sustainable home goods, serious waiting for innovation. 5 billion plastic bottles transformed annually into premium textiles, proving that the circular economy isn't the future. It's happening right now.